That is not the theme of our breakfast.
English.
No? Sip your coffee, it might help.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Why would you put that in a coffee cup? And are you already?
What's in the coffee cup?
Baby stuff? Hold up. Not already.
Would you like to
Why
be a
did you have me
daddy
put a
again?
hat on? Oh my gosh.
I figured since we make really cute babies that we would make another one, apparently.
Wow. You should pause because we are, oh my gosh.
So what did I make for breakfast? We have baby McMuffin sandwiches, baby muffin, a baby donut, and look, a little baby biscotti. So we're gonna have a baby.